Hey, what's happening? Just having a quick sit down right here, and I wanted to bring this to you because I'm having some major clarity, and this could also help you get clear on where it is that you want to go as well. And one thing that I'm figuring out right now is that you really need to have a major belief in what it is that you're doing. Now, maybe that's going to be with your content, maybe that's going to be with your Facebook, maybe that's going to be with trading, maybe that's going to be with whatever type of success you're looking for. You need to believe it. You absolutely have to believe it 100%. Now, why I'm finding this out right now is these piece of shit motherfuckers on Facebook, right? They're shutting my shit down, right? They're trying to put a hold on me on what it is that I'm doing. Now, I think that everything does happen for a reason. My Facebook got shut down and it's still on the unknown, but that's fine, right? I'm not worried about it. But what I'm really getting clear on is maybe I didn't even believe in what it exactly I was promoting. And that is why it is so important that you absolutely believe in what it is that you're doing, whatever you're promoting, right? Maybe whatever it is you're marketing.
Do you actually believe in it?
You need to make sure that you go all in on it because your energy is such a powerful, powerful thing. If you aren't full game into it, if you're not all about it, then you're gonna be putting off different energies towards what it is that you're promoting or towards what it is that you're working for, like what you're working towards. And I'm really starting to see that right now. So this isn't anything too crazy, right? Maybe just like a reminder for everybody that, look, you know, if you do want to go ahead and get after something, you have to believe it. You have to really, really believe it. So here's a few things that you can do in order to find out where your belief is. One thing that you can do is write down what it is that you actually want. Now, by writing things down, sometimes you're gonna find that, well, actually, you know, I don't even want that. You know, that's not even really important to me. That doesn't mean shit to me. I don't believe that. Now, another thing that you can do is you can work with a vision board or a dream board, however you want to call it, right? Now, get yourself looking through some photos, looking through the internet. Maybe you're setting up a collage, this vision board, and you want to put these up on your board and feel it. You really want to feel it. When you're looking at whatever photo it is that you chose, maybe it's going to be the Lambo, maybe it's going to be the yacht, maybe it's going to be the private jet, maybe you're going that big, right? That's all good. But from where I'm coming from, I had all that stuff up on my vision board and it just felt empty. It felt hollow. Like I want to stunt and I want to have my shit going and popping off too. The thing is, it was hollow. And I'm getting clear on it now that really doesn't mean shit to me. So make sure you work on your vision board. Now, another thing you can do is you can go out to the jungle and you can get fucking weird on some plant medicines and maybe go find yourself. In all seriousness, right? Maybe you need to just go out and get yourself some fresh air. Maybe you need to go out to get yourself a vacation. Maybe you need to go get some time off. Maybe you need to unplug. I think that happens so many times with entrepreneurs and people who are looking to get to that next step on their own that they actually forget to take a break, to unplug. And when you're always focusing on something, when your focus is always there on whatever it is that you don't have, then you're attracting that worry or that fear of not having it. For instance, what I've got going on last night, pretty late night, you know, went out to the beach here in Cozumel, Mexico, and just went out and just hung out under the stars. Pitch black, you know, that darkness, the stars, the waves coming up, crashing, right? Feeling that breeze, feeling the ocean, right? That's what I needed. And I've been working on this lifestyle for a while, right? I've been traveling around the world for about 6-7 years. So I've been able to manifest that. Now, maybe you don't have the beach, right? Maybe that's not in your grasp, or right now that's what you can't get to, but you can unplug. You can disconnect. And I think that's very, very important right now as well, is to get yourself clear on what it is that you actually believe you need to check out. So guys, that was just what I wanted to bring up for you right now, right? With these shitty motherfuckers taking down my Facebook and that, right? Like, this is the thing. You know, you need to be able to get clear on your belief of what it is you are actually going for. You know, what the fuck is it that you want to do, right? You got to get real clear on your belief system. This is very, very important. And that's why I wanted to share it with you. So looking forward to connecting with you here again soon. I want to be making up a lot more creativity, a little bit different style as well. And so, hey, if you are interested in what we got coming on, you know, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and smash through that like as well. So that way we can tell the YouTube algorithm, like, hey, what's up? I want to see what some more of this, what this guy's got going on. And also so that way we can interact, right? Make sure you drop a comment below and let me know what you believe in. What is it that you're going for? Have a beautiful day. Looking forward to seeing you in the comment, and we'll be seeing you on the next video.